Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a genius solution for all those kitchen and cleaning tasks, and the best part, you can do it all with just one thing. Expired medicines. Yes, you heard it right. Expired medicine can be used in incredible way to make cleaning and kitchen hacks a breeze. So let's get started. First, let's talk about kitchen hacks. Did you know the expired medicine can be used to remove stubborn stains from your pots and pans? Simply crush the expired medicine and mix it with a little water to make a paste. Apply the paste to the stain areas. Let it sit for a few minutes and then scrub away. You will be amazed at how easily the stain disappear. But that's not all. Expired medicine can also be used to freshen up your kitchen. Just place some expired medicine in a small cloth bag and hang it in your pantry or fridge. The medicine will absorb the unplaced odor and leave your kitchen smelling fresh and clean. Now let's move on to cleaning hacks. Expired medicine is great for unclogging drain. Mix some crushed tablet with baking soda and vinegar and pour it down the drain. Let the mixture sit for a while and then flush it with hot water. Your drain will be clear and running smoothly in no time. In addition to that, expired medicine can also be used as a powerful cleaning agent. Dissolve some expired medicine in water and use it to clean your bathroom tiles, countertop, and even your windows. It's a cost effective and environment friendly alternative to store bought cleaners. So next, let me clarify that using expired medicine is not recommended for human consumptions. However, it can be useful for other purpose like making solution for plants. Expired medicine contains chemicals that can help plants grow better and stronger. To make a solution for your plant, simply crush the expired medicines and dissolve it in water, then apply it to your plant as you would with any other fertilizer. However, be sure to check the expiry date before using any medicines. Now let's talk about sharp scissors. These scissors are used to detect physically changes in the environment. By using expired medicines, you can create a conductive solution that can be used to improve the sensitivity of these scissors. So there you have it, some amazing way to repurpose expired medicine and make your kitchen and cleaning task whole a lot easier. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this hacks helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Have a wonderful day guys. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.